Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been working 2 jobs. I think that's kind of where we left off, and I have been trying to get my mind and body right. So I'm going to do some self-care. I've just been neglecting me a little bit. So this day is like any other day. It's very important to me. So I'm just going to start off by using one of my favorite shampoos. It has helped me to kind of maintain my healthy curly state of my hair. This is the Wella moisturizing shampoo. I use the shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, as you can see, my curls are definitely flourishing. I can honestly say I feel my best when I wash my hair and I'm super clean, because you never know what energies you interact with throughout the day. And this is the Dettol soap. So I ordered this off TikTok shop. I've been using it lately, and this is my favorite deodorant by far. Can't go wrong with Mitchum. So as you can see, my curls are flourishing. I don't get to wear my natural hair out too much, but I make sure that under any wigs or extensions that I maintain it. And I'm using the Tegan buttercream. So if you guys don't know already, I do suffer from traction alopecia, and I have also thyroid issues, so my hair thins out a lot on the sides. So the main thing is just to, on my days off, I don't like to wear extensions or anything. I like to keep my hair just kind of healthy, oiled up, moisturized, because even though I like to take care of putting my hair in different styles and stuff, it's important to take care of your natural hair. And then I typically use a Denman brush. I don't know why I was using this brush. It's probably the first thing that I got out the drawer, but like I will comb from the bottom to the root, and as you can see, my hair is popping. So I'm gonna use a brush, just pull my hair back into a ponytail. Again, very, very low maintenance on my days off, because I don't need to be beautified, dressed up around the house, but at the same time, I do want to look halfway decent. And so I don't know what self-care kind of means to you guys. Like, what's some of your routines? I'd like to know. I think when my house is clean, that's a form of self-care. Also, like lighting candles, incense, things like that just make you feel good in mind, body, and spirit. And so this is one of my favorite cleansers. It's by Glamfox. I only use either rice cleansers or black rice cleansers. And I just picked up these masks. I've been seeing them all over social media. You cannot go wrong with Korean skincare. It is just amazing. And so I'm trying this mask out for the first time. I typically do and don't like masks because they can feel a little bit icky on your skin because they're cold and wet. But I've heard such good things about this mask. I just had to pick it up. I got it from TJ Maxx if you're wondering where to find it. But yeah, I am putting this moisturizing mask on. It's supposed to be really good for like collagen, keeping your skin moisturized. You'll leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're going to take that mask right on off, and your skin is going to look healthy, glowy, and hydrated. I'll take what's kind of left over of the liquid, and I'll just smooth it into my skin, but I still go in with a moisturizer. This moisturizer has been my holy grail with keeping my skin looking super good, because I do suffer from eczema. So I can't put a whole lot of different things on my skin, but this has just been something that's worked for me. So if you have skin issues, definitely look into Clinique. I know some people are like, oh, that's old ladies makeup, but it's really not. They have some really good stuff for your skin. All right, and you guys are going to see me cook a random girl dinner. That is right. We are having leftover Chinese food. And so, you can't go wrong with leftover Chinese food on your day off. So I had some sweet and sour chicken and shrimp fried rice from the night before. I typically just throw everything in a pot because it's easier for me just to cook it that way, and I actually like the way it tastes. And I do put soy sauce in there too. So this is me having my simple girl dinner. It was very, very delicious, might I add. And yeah, I don't like to leave the house on my days off. And I do like leftovers. Some things, not all things, but yeah. I found since I've been living in this new apartment, I've been very at peace. Like my mind is at ease, and I'm in a very comfortable space, and I love the lighting. And so guys, I'm catching up on Stranger Things. Let me know if you are watching the new season. It's really, really good. I'm kind of sad that coming up it's going to be the last and final episode. It has been really, really good up until this point. I am just taking the rest of the day just to relax and chill. And yeah, this is my just kind of unwind, spend a day with myself. We're not doing much, just being at home and comfortable, and honestly that's enough. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and yeah, I'll definitely see you in my next video. Let me know in the comment section if you're watching Stranger Things, and we can chat about what you think or how you think the season is going to end. So